I am going to open box number 10. I haven't got Jasmine, Cinderella, and who else do I haven't got? Belle. So I need Jasmine, Cinderella, and Belle, or Secret. Let's open it together. I'm really hoping this is gonna be Belle. Cinderella! With some little friend. Oh, look at that! With the little glow thing. And I still haven't got Belle, guys. The card. And this is box number 11. Let's open it. This is quite big. I don't know what to say. Oh my god! Finally, I got her! Oh, I love the one of it! With the little Mrs. Potts, the rose, and cups. Finally! And that's the card, guys. We have one more box left. It could be Jasmine or Secret. We will find out in a second. Last box, box number 12. Looks massive, but it's actually not really. Oh, I got Jasmine! Jasmine! With the little friend, little tiger, and that's the card. Now we have a complete set. I just need the secret. Should I buy more so I can get the secret while doing the blind boxes? What do you guys think? See you next time. Bye.